All right, hey everybody. It is Friday, March 11th. It'll be a day B. Today we're continuing our work on our Mexico research projects. Some of you will probably finish by this point, you and your partners. Just remember, I'm having consistent questions on the following questions. All right. So read through dominant religions. Make sure you go to CIA World Factbook, list those religions and the percentages in which they incur. Why do crimes go unreported? Think corruption, okay? And it does describe what the jail systems are like in that paragraph as well. Health and welfare, what's one problem the police tend to have? It has to do with reporting crimes in and of itself and why people don't. And then the education systems, you need to list 2 or 3 things, compare it to our system, and kind of see how those things compare with our schooling in the United States. All right, secondly, you need to keep working on those geography quizzes as we open up this Latin America quiz here. You have 2 quizzes that are must-dos. That is the geographical points. That link is right there. And then your, geographical points link is here. Try to get 80%. And then your country quiz, try to get 80%. Lastly is that flag quiz. Please finish that. You'll have a CNN 10 at the beginning of class. And then once you finish these 2 assignments, please load them for me to grade. I will try to be putting your Suez Canal grades in the grade book today, like this afternoon. So look for those scores to come across, and then I'll try and grade whatever is turned in at the end of the day on Friday over spring break. All right, those of you who won't be back for spring break right away, keep up with Canvas. I'll have a weekly agenda posted prior to us coming back to school on Monday. And then just kind of keep up to date with the links that I send out. If you have any questions, please let me know via email if you are able. With that being said, pretty much a standard day from yesterday. Continue working, finish your work. Please be courteous and kind to those around you, and work diligently to get this stuff done. So I appreciate all the help, and I'll be here in the building in the afternoon if you have any questions. So have a great day. Let me know if you have any questions.